Come test drive the 2018 INFINITI Q50. Q50 has elevated design expression by breaking all the design rules. Along with the signature appearance, it also comes with power. The breathtaking performance of INFINITI's Q50 engine leaves nothing to be desired. The engine block is crafted out of aluminum alloy to help reduce weight and increase responsiveness, giving you incredible power and a truly thrilling drive, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, power passenger seat, navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.